Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have yet another interesting question to solve. We have to simplify this question, this equation. Root 8, root 4, root 2 is equal to 32 to the power of x. Find the value of x. Okay. Now we have square root, and the opposite of square root is what? Square. So to eliminate a square root, you apply the opposite of that particular sign. So let's say we'll do what? Take squares of both sides. Okay, now we have 8 root 4 and root 2 is equal to 32x. So taking square is do what? Squaring it and squaring here. Now, this square root, let's start with the outer one. This will take out this. Okay, so now we have 8 root 4 root 2. That is equal to 32x to the power of 2. That's 32 to the power of x squared. Now, take squares again. Now, we'll keep taking squares till we've completely eliminated this square root. That is how to eliminate the square root. Take squares to eliminate the square root. So now we'll say 8 root 4 root 2 square 32x squared squared. This is the original one. Take another square because we are trying to eliminate this outer one now. So now, first of all, 8 squared will give us what? Will give us that we have 8 squared multiplied by this. Will take out this. So we'll have 4. Then we'll have root 2. That's equal to 32 to the power of x. Let's add up these two squares. You have what? Multiply it to have 4. Right? Now, take squares again. So we have 8 to the power of 4. This plus this multiplied by this will give you 4. Multiplied by 4 to the power of 2. Multiplied by this cancel this. So we have 2 is equal to 32 to the power of x. This multiplies by this will give you 8. Now, see that we've completely eliminated the square root. This is what we have left, right? For simplicity, let's convert these numbers to the power in the power of 2, like to make them base 2. So we can say that this is 8 is going to give us 2 to the power of 3, right? Yes. So now we have this becomes 2 to the power of 3 multiplied 4, then multiplied by 2 to the power of 2, then 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 32. This is not enough. We have 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2. We have 2 here multiplied by 2 is equal to 32 to the power of x. It's okay. Multiply 3 multiplied by 4, you have 2 to the power of 12 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4. 2 times 2 will give you 4 multiplied by 2. This is to the power of 1 is equal to 32 to the power of x raised to power 8. Okay? Now we have these bases are equal. When you have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n multiplied by a to the power of y, is the same thing as a to the power of m plus n plus y, right? So now we have here as 2 to the power of 12 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 32 to the power of x raised to power 8. So here we have 2. 12 plus 4 plus 5 will give us, that's 16, then 17 is equal to. Now we can express this 2 as the power of 2. Let's look for what 2, 32. 2 will give us 16, 2 will give us 8, 2 will give us 4, 2 will give us 2, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 2 to the power of 5 x raised to the power 8, right? Now, firstly, let's do 2 to the power of 17 is equal to 2. Multiply this, you have 5x multiplied by 8, you have 40x, right? So these are equal. That means these are the same. So we have 17 is equal to 40x. We are looking for the value of x. So do what? Divide both sides. Let's continue here. Divide both sides by 40. Divide both sides by 40, right? So we have 17 over 40 is equal to 40 over 40, 40x over 40. So this cancels this. So x is equal to 17 over 40. So let's verify. Let's verify this equation. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button if you've learned some equation. Recall that at the beginning, we have 2 to the power of 12 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1, right, is equal to 32 to the power of x to the power of 8, right? We're trying to do what? Now we have to express this as the power of 2 as well. So we have 2 to the power of 17 here is equal to 2 to the power of 5, okay, x 80. So we have 2 to the power of 17 is equal to 2 to the power of 40 x. So let's plug in this. So we have 2 to the power of 17 is equal to 2 to the power of 40 multiplied by 17 over 40. 40 cancel 40. We now have 2 to the power of 17 is equal to 2 to the power of 17. So the left hand side is the same thing as the right hand side. That means our value for x is equal to 17 over 40 is correct. Bye bye. See you in my next video.